one of two today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video I dropped yesterday, yesterday, and it kind of shows you how the process I went through on how I detail my car. And I know it was lengthy, and I know you can skip parts, whatever, do the hell you want. But if you guys enjoyed that, go back and hit that like, and if you haven't seen it, go check it out. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I just created a new Instagram for the channel. And I see a Monte Carlo. I don't know if does that say Earlhard edition? Can't tell. But yeah, and I'm actually surprised that the exhaust that I got in here does not resonate that bad on the highway. I mean, yeah, until I get some headers and a Y pipe on there. But so we're on our way to the car meet. I'll get back to you when we get there. It's about a 15-minute drive, so we'll get there. Had to get me some coffee and some cash to enter the event. It's got trophies and everything. I'm not sure how the classes go, so this is the absolute first time I've ever been at this meet. So that was a weird start. My bad. So yeah, we're all basically there. I just gotta go around the block. I had to stop at a Quick Trip. Shit, hang on. Safety first, boys and girls. And I had to enter the event. So it says email them prior to that, and then they drop. It's like a registering for the event, and you get it cheaper. So I'll take a video of me rolling in there. There we go. So it looks like we have arrived. There's a Corvette back there. Now there's a Camaro there. Damn, right here. See how she looks. Yeah, there's something. Found it, I think. I was driving around for a little bit, like, what the hell? Where is it at? But I think I found it right here. Heck yeah. Let's go. So it looks like we just have arrived, and there's some badass cars so far, and it looks pretty good actually. I'm surprised. I thought there was gonna be a lot more tuners. There's this Mitsubishi thing, but so far so good. So I had to go and pre-register my shit. Black goodie bag. Yeah, so take some more videos of the cars. Here's my class. I'm in an unmodified class. I don't know, somewhere around there. But okay. American muscle. What the fuck is this? These halos are decent. Slow. Good old classics. Quite a bit of muscle car. Wow, somebody else is dumb as what's this? That's street. That's Mike. Mike, you're not the only one, I guess. And by the way, stay tuned. I actually have been looking at some stuff like this, so a little sneak peek to the future. Keep keep on the lookout for it. Possibly see a Corvette in the future. Get the Corvette.
Thank you.
I love those. Where'd you get those? Did you get that like that, or where'd you get those done at?
I got them done in Minnesota.
Minnesota? Those are pretty cool. I want to do that to the intake part of it, like American flag.
What I got was the guy had bought a C7. And he needed C6 somebody to give it to, so I bought them from him.
Heck yeah, those are pretty badass. They're subtle too. It's like something you'd open the hood, it just differentiates from other people. What year is this?
This is an 06.
06?
6,000 miles.
Wow. I'm hoping this be my treat when I graduate. Heck yeah, maybe you step down and get his all and shit. Fuck yeah. Fat ass tires, huh? Turnout's pretty good. I thought it was just gonna be a bunch of racers. 280X. Not bad. Damn. Badass. So they'll be doing judging soon. Hopefully I win something here. This is what I have for my specs. I have like 5 cars in my class, and I'll see what we do here. They're drawn at 3 o'clock, so let's see what happens. The 2-step is Cadillac CTS-V here. You're gonna 2-step it. You're gonna put it in launch control.
It won't pop when it's cold.
No, but that's fucking funny as shit. Where's your button? Set it up. Oh shit.
It's a dead man.
Again, you got a guy here who's got to get some professional pictures.
Heck yeah.
It's for the application.
Come on,
Again, would you?
you know you want to.
Thing sounds nice.
I did not win any trophies. The guy next to me had a Trans Am who won our series, and I don't know, someone else in our series won. It was a good time. It's not a big deal if I win a trophy or not. I'm not gonna leave butthurt, do stupid shit. Doesn't bother me any. Shit, steering wheel. That was what I'm going for. But heck yeah. It was a ton of fun. Glad I could bring you guys along. Hope you guys like the footage. I'm sorry to do a lot of vlogging during the time. I kind of just want to show you the scene and kind of show you what kind of cars are there and all that stuff, because I kind of want to enjoy it too. So, I mean, I'll vlog more and tonight when I go back, because it's like 3 o'clock now. Tonight at 6 o'clock is the actual meet. So that's when I'll probably be vlogging a little bit more about stuff and probably see about cool street Holy fuck, I am burnt as shit. Didn't wear any sunscreen today. But we're on our way. The other one, it shouldn't be too long. I don't know, one of my friends out there was supposed to be meeting me up here, but I don't see any single one of them. So I might have went home for the weekend. Who knows? We'll get there. Catch you there. So like I said, I don't know the turnout on this one so far. I'm seeing minimal cars. I have no clue. It looks like just a bunch of rice heads. People who think their shit's nice. I don't know. We'll find out. We're seeing something here. Maybe more people will show up. That's what I'm assuming. That's what my guess is. So we'll figure it out.
The rear end alone's a GT1. It's GT Force or something.
Yeah.
$8,000 rear end. He bought it all. He bought it all this way. So he picked it up in South Carolina the day after Christmas.
It's like I give him a Christmas present.
Well, he's paying for it. It ain't me. I
And
didn't help
tickets?
him.
And
I didn't
tickets?
help him out. And his boss helped him out.
That is a 600. That meet was absolutely horrible. Literally, I felt like I was in high school again. People bumping music and crap. A little disappointed, but don't be disappointed in Automotion for sure. I love that car show. I mean, there are other douchebags who drink and do that stupid stuff, but so if you guys enjoyed the video today, so I want to again apologize. Didn't get a lot of clips. Just wanted to actually enjoy the scene, but I did get some. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what I got, and see you guys on the next video, which is probably going to be next weekend for Automotion. So see you guys later.